Now blue is not in her.
Hey ladies, so welcome back to the channel. So today I have a wig that comes to us from The Wig. Now I've had a wig from this company before, maybe a year or so ago, and I remember that I did like it. Now they come as 100% human hair, and it's like a blend like most of them, but it seems like it's a little bit better quality, so that's why I mentioned that. And it is a lace front. They come in these really cute boxes. So if you keep your boxes, you'll like the boxes that these come in. They almost come in boxes like the human hair wigs. So I really like that they do take and put a little more thought into their boxes. So the name of the wig that we have, or the style, is LH Kiss, and we have it in the color 99J. So they usually come with the style and the color like this, and then they come with just a small picture. So I'm going to basically unbox it because I haven't even opened it. So this is the care card, as I mentioned, and the back of it just gives you care instructions, and it also gives you more styles that come, I guess, in this natural human hair blend line or whatever. And I've seen a couple of these on a couple different websites, so that's those. Comment below if you have any of these. I don't think I have not one of them. So if you comment below if you have some, or you have one of these wigs. So let's get into the actual review. I'll tell you right away, I already felt the hair. The hair feels super soft, very, very soft. And this 99J is nice. It's more chocolatey or chocolate color than red. So some people like that. It's very subtle, but again, the hair is nice. And I remember that from their last wig that I got from them. So cap construction. Lace on this is the hard lace. You get two combs, one closer to the parting area on the right, and probably mid temple on the left. That is the parting area, which is not too bad. They give you plenty of parting area. They also give you a comb in the back, and they do give the normal adjustable straps. So let me cut off the care card, get rid of that, and I'm just gonna give you, let me give you, just let you see it. I love these just messy bobs like this. So super nice, very, very nice. Love the cut at the tip of it. I reviewed a wig not too long ago, maybe a week or so ago, that I absolutely loved, and that was by the Genius collection. I think this too will be another one that I'm going to love. So let me get off this one and put her on, and let's get into how she looks. It is so nice, sits well. I will tell you that right away. So you already know that's gonna be in my pros. Okay, this is it. She cute. She cute. I'm in love with these just tousled messy bobs. This is super, super cute. Hair is amazingly soft. So soft. Oh my goodness. So here is the front. You get a couple pieces in this bang part. I guess you could use as a bang if you wanted to cut that up. I don't think I would, but if that's something you're interested in doing, you definitely get plenty of parting area. So let me give you that. Now I do think you would have to go in and pluck that. I would pluck it just to make it a little bit more open. Now you get this, the hard lace or the scratchy lace in the front. It's not a problem for me. Some people don't like it, so I will mention that. I think it makes your wig lay down flatter when it's not the soft lace. Let me give you a 360 of this, because again, cute. She cute, y'all. She cute, she cute, she cute. Look at that. Perfect. Yes. And I love me a wig that'll move, because in the summertime, you're trying to get underneath your neck. You're trying to pop it, girl. I love me a wig that move. Look at that. Look at that. Go behind your ear. Easy to go behind your ear. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. No shedding. I didn't get any shedding. Nope. Nice. Look at all this curl up in here. I feel like a commercial. Jermac bounce back. Beautiful hair. Look at that. Whip it, girl, whip it. That's cute. So I think she is cute. Pros, cons. I don't really have any cons besides the parting area. You definitely got to go in and pluck that. I will pluck that parting area and put a little bit of powder in there. Hairline obviously is full. If you wanted to wear it up, you may have to do something to that. Let me go in and see how far you go in till you get to that track. So you get into a track about here. So if you wanted to, I guess you could do something where you could pin her up in the front like so. If you wanted to put a bang down or something, you could get creative with it. I think I just like it like this. And you can cut it a little bit or trim it in the front too if you wanted to do that. Otherwise, she's cute, she's simple, easy. Throw her on, cut off the lace. Easy to go. So if you ladies are interested in picking up Miss Kiss by the wig, I will leave all the information for purchase in the description box below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video, share it with your family, share it with your friends. Remember, you can always text it to people. If you decide to share it on your social media platform, please don't forget to tag me in it. As you know by now, my name is Beautiebymark. Thank you so much for watching. Return subscribers, hey girl, hey, how you doing? What you think? Do you like it? You think it's cute? Do you have it already? Hit me up. Hit me up in the comment section. I'll see you ladies in my next video. Bye.